the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, you heard about 7 brothers, 7 different minds. Today, we're going to stick to 2. 2 brothers, 2 different minds. Unfortunately, the brother who avoided the acidity going at the grave first, I agree about it. See, I have a youth named Dwight, well, not youth, a big man, 40-year-old, Dwight Edwards. My brother named Shane. I have more siblings, but I'm inside them 2 there. I will use for the case study today, because I have to understand how badness work. Saying it over and over. To defeat something, you must know how it works. This is why Iron Man masses struggle to deal with various challenges, various obstacles, whether it's in politics, business, even in social settings. I see it all the time. If I ask people, what you do? You just run up in a brick wall. You don't understand what you're up against. You're just talking and I make noise. You must understand how it works before you can truly stop it. This applies to anything, including crime. And Mr. said, people them just don't understand crime, just don't understand badness. Which is why for years they heard the narrative of if unemployment, the reason why murder is so high is because unemployment is high. So unemployment gets below 10%, then the murders are rubbish. Iron Man is seeing record low unemployment. Record low. Go check the poverty rate from 10, 20 years ago to now. It's falling drastically. I say people don't understand what they're up against. Must understand how badness works and understand how a gang, not just pick them victim, but how them set the conditions where it's almost like the war can't done as long as 87 is up on the road. As long as the players them on the field, it can't done because of stories like this. I'm gonna tell you right now. Before I'm going to that very special Patreon anniversary shout out, I love them things, because anniversary tell me say, man and woman, family, relationship, intact. It is the family that is the backbone of any society. For years, many people used to brag. One time people used to brag, say, Iron Man have some of, in the whole world, Iron Man is like top 10%, most households headed by women. People used to brag about them saying that. Foolish people. Bragging about single motherhood, bragging about raising people by themselves. It was a badge of honor. We know the child who often ends up in the spookiest situations. The child with no father. We know that. Anyway, I'm gonna say anniversary. The Greg and Joan Council, long time Patreon squad. When the man linked me, the man said, look at YouTuber, our anniversary, still going strong. Me and the boss lady, but just say a lot of kids. The man don't even bother give me the number. It's when I hear a man say, me and my wife and a lot of kids, we celebrate, just know say a whole puppet in that. When they hear a Jamaican man say, hey man, him come here roll it and he say, how much pitney you have? And him say, a lot of kids. Just know say it's a football team I build. Just know say the reggae boys and the reggae girls good because all of the players them born already. Greg and Joan Council, big up on yourself. Open to have 1,000 more anniversaries. Big up the whole family. So Shane, one of Tesha Miller's 87s. Remember we talk about Shane and Dwight. So Shane, one of Tesha 87 them from long time. And from long time, they want William. You like Shane should have been take off of the streets long time. But as you know, 87,000 time, them carry out the shootings in a broad daylight and people see them. Bus case, walk road. Now, Shane is the acidic and destructive one. Dwight, right, is the polar opposite. Right. Dwight avoided the badness. Right. Anybody can tell about him right now. Cool youth. Right. Bad on the tire fixing, right? If a tire puncture. Right. Right. Not just that. Skill at fixing fences and anything. You know them tradesmen, they're just good with them hand. They fix anything. You can't go give them. Right. All the time 100% sure it work within no time and figure it out and fix it. That's how I'm saying. So Dwight are the tradesman. Shane are the gunman. Shane is expecting an attack, so you know him a lay low, right? Him you know, avoid certain place, make it hard for him enemies them find him. Dwight, right, who is, as I say, a working man, right, cool with everybody, goes about his business like normal. Right. He must step on the road freely because man no man now war, at least so him think. Him and man a war because Shane and man a war, and that's how badness work in the area. Let me say that one more time. Dwight and man a war because Shane and man a war. By being Shane's brother, he's automatically seen as a viable candidate to get killed. Dead. Marchpen Road. I ride a bicycle going about his business. Bicycle and kill him on half. You should know Marchpen Road is controlled by termite now. And Shane, I tell you, so I wanna see what I want so. Soon we hear more in the video. So Dwight move through Marchpen Road is a place where I think frequent still. Free as a bird. Because I say in a female him and the bad now war, and because he did it a little while and the bad now trouble him, probably got relaxed. Right. Even the man in my draw down on him as my move through on him bicycle. They were even suspect that thing because my man about now nothing. Them shot the man and kill him. Just like that. Just like that, them can't get Shane. Then kill Dwight. The brother who avoided the badness died first. Two brothers, two different minds. Right? And the one who left out the badness dead before the 87 one. Right? Because people couldn't catch the 87 one. It's when I can understand, right? I have to tell you them, so when you go in the badness, and it does full life at risk. Your mother and your father and your brother them are life at risk too. Right? Now when things like this happen, the war can't done. Can't done this from until gangs are dismantled, until they take up all of the individuals them are active, all of the man them on the ball field, so to speak, all the players them. It can't done. Because if you even take up one and left, you got 10 players them on the field. Them are gonna do something. Them type of warrior. Especially when time people out here say, Dwight, but them body not trouble nobody. Sometimes that bring all 87 when they're in the war. Sometimes a youth dead in the area now. Right, they have 87 who active in the war and them not active in the war. But then they go hear who dead and two of them perplexed, say at them man they dead and them know say like down at 87, them join all the war. Right, to get revenge. See, when them kill the non-combatant, right, it make the 87, right, who's still alive, lust for revenge even more. Put it this way, it's like Carlton and Brothers are brothers. Right. If you kill Brothers, it's very unlikely Carlton are going to declare war upon you and go in a shootout. Right. But if you kill Carlton, Brothers definitely are come for you. Let me say that one more time. Carlton and Brothers are brothers. If you kill Brothers first, it's very unlikely, right? Unless Carlton make a complete 180. Right? Very unlikely he might go back and kill you, the Brothers. More than likely, man tell us a boy, you know, so me tell him to left the badness alone and look how him get himself in and why me talk to you, me talk to you, me talk to you. But if you kill Carlton first, the one who is not the gunman, then the one who is gunman, indefinitely, I will kill Boxman. Because he's already a killer. If I kill for foolish reasons like man diss him and man diss him bridging and man take away him girl and all them sitting there. If I kill for them reasons, imagine when time he say I kill him brother. Plus, he might blame himself for his brother's death. And in a need to ease the guilt, he will do monstrous things. Cause that's how some man ease guilt. He will kill by the boy. Yeah. Take that little, chip that from my shoulder. Cause I know so I really need the man and they want to kill, but they kill him brother. But now I kill by the boy. Yeah. Feel a little better. You can't catch Quacker, you catch him short is a cultural attitude. You heard City Puss say, I'm gonna kill Big's baby mother, kill Brocky mother. And my favorite artist on the recordings, female name, say, I fling my man mama by once or time if I get back in shoes then. And this is a cultural. You got a man of war, immediately start to size up people that we don't care about. This is why I'm telling you, so people from Sweden and Canada and them places are not qualified to talk about Iron Man badness because for them badness is some basic gang activities. Iron Man badness not follow no kind of logic. Why I'm dead? Cause he's my cousin with sci-fi and the man him see my walk through. Cousin? But so you're saying he's not a gang now? And you're saying him never did on the shoot now? Just because that don't make sense to somebody from Sweden. For them badness no work, so for them badness, it's elementary stuff. But it's often people from the Winnipeg and them places who write the textbooks and set the courses and telling them about crime and badness. They don't understand Iron Man badness. They don't understand Bahamas badness. They don't understand El Salvador. They don't understand Honduras. They don't understand Trinidad badness. Somebody half a dead back. And if it take too long to find back somebody, go murder and granny. South American badness and Caribbean badness are different things. And the man from North America and Europe, they tell me no. The Tesha and Termite war still on. But it's quiet because the main combatants them know say the spotlight upon them. But 87s are patient. Patient up to the point where them realize that they can't hold the boy, they can't hold the woman. Then them start say, me know which party brother there now. The spooky thing with Tesha and Termite war is that enough of the killings them don't even look like it's a part of the war. For example, when this come out of the news, you would never think this have nothing to do, right? With Tesha and Termite. Yes. Remember Derby where them they kill? Termite youth. Right. So she and one of the man them where them will want to get back. Right. Because they want the more prominent members of Tesha side. So them kill Dwight and Marshman, which is Termite territory. Them killings gonna take place in a man quote unquote place. When people say a my place. People say Marshman with a quote unquote Termite place. Them killings gonna take place unless it's sanctioned by the Don. The Don have to sanction that was it. And the body for Marshman will take out themselves them out for kill man so. And that's how it work. Matter of fact, you might dead for that. The order for dead already. If it is so and so, kill him. Only the most senior 87s can act, right, on them own accord and then, right, go tell the Dan afterwards. And even then, sometimes them will still dead back if, listen to the if the person with them kill bring out too much pressure upon the gang. If you do want to kill it now, Dwight, right? Because Dwight and really 87 and big top gunman, then you know the gang you have the quote unquote the top man them. Right? Because Dwight man and people there, maybe somebody can see him shoot him and say, you know something kill the boy and then come out time. Maybe. But certain people remember sci-fi couldn't just kill Mickey, so even though sci-fi was a high ranking gang member. Yeah, but can't catch Quanko, they catch him shot. Very unfortunate. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more like Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.